Welcome to our video on food tips and tricks. Today, we'll share some simple and useful tips to make your cooking easier and more fun. First, let's talk about keeping your vegetables fresh. Store leafy greens like lettuce and spinach in a plastic bag with a paper towel. The paper towel absorbs moisture and keeps the greens crisp. Peeling garlic can be tricky. Here's a quick tip. Place the garlic cloves in a jar, close the lid, and shake it hard. The skins will come off easily. Need more juice from your lemons? Roll them on the counter with your palm before cutting. This helps release more juice. When boiling pasta, add a pinch of salt to the water. It adds flavor to the pasta and helps it cook evenly. To prevent a pot from boiling over, place a wooden spoon across the top. The spoon pops the bubbles and keeps the water from spilling. Keep your bread fresh by storing it in a cool, dry place. Avoid the fridge, as it makes bread stale faster. To keep bananas from ripening too quickly, wrap the stems in plastic wrap. This slows down the release of ethylene gas, which causes ripening. Cutting onions can make you cry. To avoid this, chill the onions in the fridge for 30 minutes before cutting. The cold reduces the release of the tear-inducing chemicals. And finally, always clean as you go. It makes cooking more enjoyable and keeps your kitchen tidy. We hope these tips and tricks make your time in the kitchen easier and more fun. Happy cooking. Thanks for watching.